how to redeem rewards codes on monopolygo. Now, as you can see right now, I'm currently using my mobile device. Now, if you're using your mobile device and wanting to redeem a code using the monopolygo application, you won't be able to do that because redeem rewards is not actually visible on the app. Now, what you can do is redeem the rewards using your web browser. So just simply use your Google Chrome or any preferred web browser that you want to use. So right now I'm going to be using my Google Chrome for this tutorial. And on your search bar, just simply type in Monopoly Go. Now, once you hit enter, you might want to scroll down a bit and choose on the monopolygo.com right here. Now, this is going to be your dashboard if you're going to be using your web browser on your mobile phone. To claim or to redeem your reward, just simply press on the menu, the three lines right here, and then just type in the reward codes. Now, you'll just have to make sure that you're logged in with either your Facebook or any of the social media partnership with Monopoly Go that you have used to log into your account on your mobile application, and make sure that you have entered that code appropriately. As you can see, if we tap on enter code, it's requiring us to log in. Now all you have to do is to log in first, and that's the time that you can claim your reward. It will automatically be routed to your Monopoly Go game once you have entered the correct code right there. So that's the things, or those are the things, the steps that how can you redeem your Monopoly Go reward codes using your phone.